All right, YouTube. I would say good morning, but it's actually obviously pretty late out there. So we're still at my parents here in Phoenix, and we just got a phone call from Art. So if you remember, Art and I drove out. He drove his Scuderia, and he went to SEMA, and then he's on his way back. He was going to come through Phoenix, stop here at my parents' house, and stay for the night, and they have a problem. So they're limping the Scuderia along back into Phoenix. The guys at EA Wraps here in Scottsdale, somehow he met up with them or something. I don't know the exact details, but we're going to figure it out in a minute, and we're going to get his car fixed so we can get it home safely. So, yeah, let's go.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
What'd you do?
Broke it.
What'd you do?
I think it's that road. You got a flat tire on that road?
Was it
That's-
just after the dam?
No, that was.
Oh, see, I was like less than
I
a
got
mile
little
after. Okay, I literally stopped to go look at some scenery and got back in the car and immediately it was like, your tire's flat.
I think we were driving like that the whole way though.
Yeah, that sucks.
See, the cool thing is though, it's
You're
not,
gonna need a
it's
new
not
wheel?
Like, it's not like a Honda Civic where the bolt will fall out completely and just rotate
Yeah,
in the wheel.
I'm
This
thinking your.
it actually kept it in there, which is that's a
I'm
plus.
thinking your wheel is gonna be.
Probably.
Yeah. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, well.
What the hell happened to your car? It's
I
disgusting.
honestly thought he was Merrick for a minute.
All right, that kind of does look like something
Right?
Eric would
Looks
do.
like Merrick.
Dude, what did you do to this thing? Did you go off-roading?
No, that's from the house.
What?
I guess they had like the sprinklers on or something.
Oh, okay. Good God.
Dan, do you have a wheel socket?
No, not those. I don't.
Is there a Walmart?
Oh, let's hear this. Oh, there it is. A Liberty Walk 458. It's definitely got an exhaust. What do we got here? Oh, and a big ass wing. That is a big wing. My car has wing envy right now.
We were not racing in Mexico at all.
I mean, I wouldn't expect that. Here's our hero of the day. Trevor's the hero.
Yeah, wraps.
Art is the destructor.
Choose the form of the destructor.
Ferrari problems.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is a problem. Wondering if that bolt is totally like. No.
I feel like it.
No? Actually, I was kind of surprised the wheel isn't more damaged than it is.
It's barely got a
Yeah, it's a little groove.
ridge, yeah.
That's not too bad.
Not bad at all.
I'm very surprised by that actually. So you forgot your toolkit.
Forgot the toolkit.
What else did you forget?
The speakers are unplugged when we were working on the car, when we were putting it together, so I completely forgot about that. We actually drove here the whole way without any music. Matt was like snoring half the time.
That's impressive.
So we decided to go to Best Buy and get a little boom box.
Was it one of the Cove ones? Did he get money? It's even better. Oh, it's not a Cove.
Hey, no free brand deals, but this thing is pretty good.
Looks pretty generic.
Yeah, you know,
Does it work?
it's made by Logitech.
How
Yes.
much?
How much? 80 bucks?
70 bucks? 80 bucks? That's not bad.
Start the party.
I've had them for years.
Oons, oons, oons. Aftermarket hood. Lots of carbon. Wide body. Big old air intake. And even bigger wing. Oh, those are some big tailpipes. He's got some work done to this thing. I'm digging the blue. I like the blue. It's kind of like a soft blue. All right, hero, what's the shop?
All right, this is Echelon Autosports EA Wraps. We're in Scottsdale, Arizona.
Do you have a website?
We do, eawraps.com.
EAReps.com. All right, sweet. So obviously they are our hero tonight. They're rescuing Art and his dilemma in the Ferrari. But thank you so much. You are awesome.
super random on the way back from Vegas.
Yeah.
right?
What? I mean, talk about total randomness. When he started texting me, I was like, what? But awesome, man. You guys are awesome. Thank
Thanks,
you so
man.
much.
Yep.
What'd you get?
It says the biggest size is a 17. I think it's a 17.
Uh-oh.
I could be wrong.
Yeah. Hopefully you're not. Built to last. Duralast.
Hey, no free brand deals.
Oh, sorry. Ooh. Oh!
Yes.
I saw that smile.
Well, this calls for a celebration. I will.
I don't think the impact gun's big enough.
I am going to get flamed for this.
I don't care. Did it work?
It works.
Oh, one.
I know I torqued the crap out of these.
Yeah.
Why is that guy using an impact gun on a Ferrari?
Because
Okay, the outway. It's just not okay the inway.
yeah. I'm sure they'll find some way to complain. They always do.
They always do.
You mean you didn't use an alignment dowel?
Right.
God damn it, Art.
Damn it, Bobby, this just ain't right.
Let's see the, oh, that's scoring. Yikes.
Not too bad.
I mean, you can,
How much weight reduction do you think that is?
I mean, it's gotta be at least a gram.
So the car's gonna be unbunbalanced now.
Oh, good point. You need to rebalance your tire.
Right. It's not too bad.
At least it didn't have it.
It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Did the
Yeah,
bolt wear
yeah.
down?
Race car
No,
parts.
the bolt didn't even wear down that bad.
Did it?
No.
Found a chip. Right here. Mm-hmm. And the chip's painted over. So that means these brakes have been painted before. So that means whoever put them on, or took
Yeah.
them off to paint them and put them back on, probably didn't torque.
So they were yellow before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, the top one is all loose.
Top
too.
one's loose too.
I wonder if we should check all of them.
It might not be a bad idea.
I mean, those are supposed to be torqued pretty tight. I remember it's like 60 or 80 foot-pounds. That's a lot.
Yeah.
I have the manual. You want me to look it up?
I think it is 80.
I thought it was 80.
60 or 80.
I can look it up. I'll look it up. It's 60 foot-pounds, 80 newton meters. All right. Well, that should at least keep it on there a little better. Celebration right there. Perfect timing.
What are these lugs rated at? You know?
115.
115.
Woo, 115?
Yeah. Or more. Is it more?
I always do 100.
I always do 115. Oh, what Darren at the track
For
said
track use.
115.
For the track use.
So you loosen them up for street use.
Yeah. I would rather it be a little bit over tight for that.
Right. You know, we do have what, 14 hours?
Yeah, 1,000 miles.
I don't want to be responsible for your wheel falling off on the highway.
Yeah, exactly.
So we
14
can pretend
hours.
that didn't happen.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I'd do 100.
100. Let's do 110.
105.
105.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Okay, 110.
It makes me nervous.
110.
It's
107.
107.
These-
Split the middle.
These potholes.
Compromise.
These potholes make me nervous.
I'll give you.
I hit a bad one.
We take 105 for it. I'll give you 107.
Perfect.
Deal.
This is the first time like that I'm actually not working on anything and I'm watching somebody else work.
It's kind of nice, isn't it?
It's kind of nice. Thanks,
Yeah.
Trevor. You're the man.
I know, right? He opens his shop for us and he's working on the car.
So I got a big shout out, you know, because it's very nice to
This is heroic.
stuck somewhere on the highway and then
Like-
you just have more car guys that pull over and they're like, hey, I'll help you.
Yeah.
It's cool.
See, this is. I've said the car people, man. Like their spirit is awesome. Like when Justin's alternator went out and the guys down, the LGR guys, like had him stay at his house and all that stuff. It was
Yeah.
like, that one's loose.
So if this one is loose, then we should probably check the other.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's probably safe. Anywhere on the frame.
Well, so we kind of determined the problem is that this was repainted and clearly not torqued to spec.
I had no idea. They did a pretty good job. Look, I mean, actually, you know what? That's a sticker. So they clear coated over it.
Yeah. Oh man, someone's gonna give shit because it's not an impact rated socket nor an impact rated extension. They're gonna be like, what the?
I did the same thing, but
Yeah, clearly they're not that good at what they
You're not wearing eye protection? You're
what?
Is that Siri or Google? Hi Google.
See, they do listen to us all the time.
Hypertension?
She's listening to something, I'm not sure what.
What the hell is that? She's like, you've got high blood pressure. Let me tell you about it. Man, getting dirty.
What else would you want to be doing on a Sunday?
Sleeping?
Wait, these are different. These are on the back, I think. You know what probably happened? They ordered this car from the factory, right, with red brakes, and Luigi put on yellow ones by accident, and they were just like, just paint over it. That's probably what happened.
Always Luigi's fault. No. Holy shit! Did you see that?
Yeah.
All right,
not
checking
good.
them all. Checking them all.
Hey, Matt,
That moved a
they're
lot.
all loose.
That moved a lot.
That's cool.
Well, That's nerve-wracking. Dude, you could have died.
The most important thing on your car, your brakes.
Yeah, the one thing that you really don't want to fail
But
was not tight.
there is a benefit
Yeah?
to this. If you lose your brakes, the car is a 6-speed manual, so you can brake. So you shut the engine off, and then you put it in
Shut
sixth
it-
gear
yeah,
and
yeah.
use the clutch as a brake.
There you go.
Perfect.
And you still have a manual e-brake, not the electronic parking
Right.
brake crap I got. I don't like that.
And they're
thing.
separate on this car, which is cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
So just in case your rear calipers completely fall off, you still have the emergency brake on the back. So that's a plus.
I mean, technically, the caliper wouldn't have come all the way off. It couldn't have. It couldn't have, but I would assume it'd stop braking real well.
It would.
It'd probably be pretty violent.
I would imagine if that fell out in your wheel.
We should
probably do some
I
damage.
want to see. We should like buy a crappy car
And just do that
and purposely do that
in Mexico.
in Mexico. I'll chip in $50.
Just go get a cheap salvage car.
Yeah. Is it bagged? Ah.
He's got red interior just like you.
Damn it! He copied my shit. Oh, but he doesn't have the Daytona stripes. Yeah, that's right. Mine's better. The bolt? Oh.
See how this one, like, it'll crank
Yeah.
and then it'll go slow? That one's kind of tight too.
Oh
So
god.
I had this car at a undisclosed tire shop,
And they did that?
and they put the PS4s on this car.
Please don't be stripped. Please don't be stripped. Okay.
Or was it just loose?
No, it was given like a real good amount of resistance. I just hope it doesn't give us issues going back in.
When you send your car out, if you don't do it yourself.
I know. How do you know they did it right?
Hey, one of our lugs was backed out.
But it was tight and backed
It
out.
was
which
tight and backed out.
leads me to believe that the threads might be a little
Wonk.
touchy.
Dude, that got 2 full cranks on it. Look at this.
I could have died.
Oh my god, dude. Who the hell tied these things down? Like a...
Whoever painted them.
That's insane. You definitely could have died.
Well, see,
Art, are you scared for your life?
no. No, because we have
That is.
no, because we have Trevor here, and he's
Oh, well, yeah, now it's all good. Yeah. Jeez. Dude, that is crazy. That is so loose. It's not even close to spec.
yeah,
Jesus.
German Newton meters, Guten tight.
They're Guten tight, yeah. They were only like 3 Ugga Duggas, not 6.
Yeah.
You need 6 full Ugga Duggas, god dang it.
But the lugs looked good. Yeah. The threads on the lugs look good. The threads on the hub are the ones that looked a little interesting. But there's a bunch of grease on there, so I can't tell if there's grease just packed in there or if it's actually like the threads. This is how we met on the highway.
How you met on the highway. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
That's awesome.
So he drove by, and he was like, he was pulling up closer to the car, and he saw that it was a Scud. He thought it was a 16M at first, and then he said, I read the license plate, and I immediately knew what it was.
Ah, that's awesome. Your poor beer just exploded.
Party foul.
That's alcohol abuse.
Yeah, Trevor, I'm cleaning your floor.
Damn. You got a full turn on that one too.
That's crazy.
Yep. At least a half turn on that one.
Just snug for sure.
Celebratory beers.
These are room temperature.
Yeah.
These are specifically designed for when you have a cold and throat
Oh, okay.
issues. This is very soothing.
It's, yeah.
Yeah, this is much
It's
better than
it's
honey and
NyQuil Light.
tea. Yes.
I think the Scud is back in business. You now have more stopping power. Hero, Destructor,
He doesn't
Hero.
want to take my money.
He won't take your money?
No.
I love taking Art's money. You should take his money more often. I'll take your money.
Do you take debit cards?
I do,
Do you
actually.
take food stamps?
I have a Square Stripe. You can
Square Stripe?
You can PayPal me too.
I have digital plastic money.
Oh, okay. That's good enough for me.
That
I don't
works.
don't care if it bothers your credit.
More Ferrari problems.
Oh yeah, you're busted
Is this-
shocks.
Is this certified? And then look, this thing is missing. So,
I know, I saw
so
that.
now like you gotta like, but this fits actually. Fits very nicely right in there. It's like a Buick Regal.
Pretty cool. It's a K car.
Ferrari
It's a Dodge K car, man.
It's a race car.
You know, they
Yeah,
sell
there.
hybrids on eBay for like $12.
Yeah, you should.
They last-
That's a new. Look at. I love how you can actually see it too.
It's a great anti-theft device because
It is.
people won't be able to get into.
They're not gonna know what the hell's
into your
going on.
front, so-
Yeah, that's what it's all about. All right, one last time. Trevor the hero.
Wait a minute. Are you Polish?
Yes.
Were you born in Poland?
No.
You speak Polish?
No.
Ah,
So Polish.
It's a Polish.
Polish.
Half-ish.
Polish, yes. So it's Echelon, right?
I was born in
That's
Poland.
it.
Echelon.com.
EARaps.com.
EARaps.com. Okay, that's it. Yeah, there's
it is
the
right
info.
there.
Hold on, there. Get a view of that. Yes, and you're in Scottsdale, so
Yep.
all you Arizonians
And Californians.
and Californians,
Yep.
all the Indians that aren't as good as Texas. Yeah, sorry, but that's true. Roll this piece of shit out of here. Be careful, the brakes may not work.
Goddamn kit car.
What?
It's a kit car.
It's a kit car. It is kind of a kit car.
It's a fake Ferrari.
Yeah, it's a faux Rari. There we go. Bye bye. What the hell? What is going on here? Shit's falling. It's more bolts. They just don't want to be in their home. They're too good for their home.
Son of a bitch, Paul, why didn't you just go home? That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
Did we check every bolt?
Yeah. We missed something.
So now I see how those caliper bolts got loose. It's from the engine.
Yeah. It's clearly knocking bolts out everywhere it goes.
Bolts just flying around
Just
everywhere.
falling off and crap. Okay, YouTube. Made it back to my parents' house. Art's brakes are working again. I want to go to bed. I am tired. It is late. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and apparently lesson learned here. Torque your brake calipers. We're going to be doing a lot of car stuff. You're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet. Good morning, YouTube. Apparently, Art's Ferrari likes Phoenix and wants to stay here. He started up to go this morning, and, well, that's how this goes. Ferrari problems. Ferraris.
Didn't you have an oil problem before?
I did. It seems like road trips and oil problems are a thing.
Wheel problems.
And wheel problems.
Doesn't necessarily need to be a flat tire. It could just be loose caliper
Yeah.
bolts that
So
are
that's
backing
like
out.
both of us. Well, I mean, mine was spread out over 2 different trips, but yours was all concentrated because,
Yeah.
you know, why not? But
So
yeah.
these you're supposed to check under. Well, first you have to
I'm
be
gonna
on a
go over
flat
here.
flat surface
Yeah.
and operating temperature. So that cat's right there. I mean, I'm sure we can get to it from that side, so it'll just be fun, you know, burning your hand off while checking the oil level. But,
Of course.
you know.
Of course. They love to do that. They place it right where you. Oh yeah, look at that. It's directly next to that catalytic converter.
The leak is from the input shaft.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to see a camera, but yeah.
On the box, on the shift to selector box.
And obviously it's leaked enough to fill up the tray enough to leak out on the tray. Although we are at an angle. So I mean this driveway is clearly, you know, got a steeper angle. So
What do you think? A quarter of a quart?
I don't think it's that much. The bottom pan, so here's what I learned from having my pan fill up with stuff over a long distance is it leaked out less than a quart. And that's pretty small amount. I mean, if it was a quart, it would be out in the street.
Yeah.
So I think it's a pretty slow leak, but you have to check it. I don't think you necessarily need to fix it. You just gotta make sure you're gonna make it
I don't
home.
want to burn up the transmission.
Yeah, that transmission's not real cheap. Limp that sucker along safely.
We're gonna go to the dealership.
Yeah, that's
buy a bottle of fluid, and then we're gonna service our own car in their parking lot.
I like that idea. I encourage this behavior.
I will let you know how that goes.
And please do. I demand pictures. All right. Good luck. Let me know if you need anything. Good luck, gentlemen. Man, just not having good luck. Well, you guys, I'll let you know what happens. Hopefully they make it home safely. I think they will. I mean, the good news is at least they're here in Phoenix and not like middle of nowhere. You guys know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. It's gonna be sweet.